welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. Madlomo decided to visit Dintle and ask her, Ntombazane, what made you come here at eTembeni? Out of all the places in Johannesburg, a woman of your caliber is at eTembeni. What's happening? I didn't choose eTembeni. eTembeni chose me. I was approached and I invested and decided to open a shop. And then I told Madlomo, so you're going to hire someone to work here at Kang Zozbambe. I'm going to run it myself. Available to Madlomo. Hi, Gooby. And then Dintle goes to the supermarket to seduce Nhloso to meet up later on. Nhloso agrees. Ngapha uMadlomo is trying to solve my issues emshado wakhe, ungena isigugu, so an all-night prayer. And the prophet sees ukuthi hayi yazini prophesies ukuthi hey amanzi angena kwaGasa. Your husband needs to come here and we reunite you guys before it's too late. And then umthunzi no Taps nomdala. Umdala they tell umthunzi ukuthi we saw an article ephumile showing that only 4 men were found lapha eScrapyard. What happened to the 5th one? Kusho kunomuntu ophilayo kunomuntu obalekile lapha. Now they worried, who's this person? We need to go out there and look for this person. And then my DNA results, they come in while they're still there, and then it shows ukuthi umthunzi ingane kaSemide. Now they celebrate umthunzi uSemide, you must welcome him to the family. Fake DNA results kanjalo. And then umthunzi calls this fake person that he hired and thanks him, tells him, I owe you a big time. I'm going to deposit your money. And then when the bromance, Tapsi saying, hey, welcome to the family. You must have a bride to introduce you to the other family members. And then Bridget sees this and be like, why are you now bromancing this guy? Is he not fired? But how can you do that after he saved us? And then they make an announcement to everyone at eTembeni. This guy is now back as the center manager. Not everyone is happy about it. Obviously, Nhloso, no Dintle, no Bridget, they're not happy. And then Mr. Gasa is worried about Tukidiboni because they had planned to go out but Tukidiboni disappeared up is a Bechafela betting. Went to Gubo to ask how Tukidiboni. Find that Guba Bamazi, she didn't come home. And now they're worried, they want to go to the police station, and then she appears saying, hey, lying about helping out Mr. David, no and she's lying. And then in the morning, she has to go and she goes to apologize to Mr. Gasa. Would say, yes, I'm so sorry, something came up, blah, blah, blah. She lies again and apologizes and says it will never happen again. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.